In today's video, I'm going to show you why you should mix castor oil with baking soda and leave it on your face overnight. I'll also share with you some important cautions before trying this at home. Just stay tuned until the end of this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, on this channel we explore the power of natural remedies. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have requested. A powerful all-natural remedy that tackles the tough challenges of age spots and uneven skin tone. Get ready to uncover the secret that nature has been hiding. Are you curious? Keep watching. Now let's dive deeper into the magic of castor oil. Why is it so special for your skin? In the world of natural skincare, castor oil stands out as a true gem. Its unique composition of nutrients and compounds works wonders in addressing common skin concerns such as age spots, wrinkles, and dullness. Let's explore the key benefits of castor oil and how it addresses each of these issues. First up, age spots. As we age, our skin can suffer from hyperpigmentation, resulting in unsightly age spots and sunspots. But fear not, castor oil comes to the rescue. Its natural bleaching properties help fade and brighten the skin, evening out your skin tone and leaving you with a more radiant complexion. Say goodbye to those pesky age spots and hello to a more uniform skin tone. Next, wrinkles and fine lines. Fine lines and wrinkles are a natural part of the aging process, but who wants them? Castor oil is a powerful ally in minimizing their appearance. Its emollient properties deeply hydrate your skin, keeping it supple and smooth. By improving skin elasticity and firmness, castor oil helps smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful and refreshed look. But wait, there's more. Dullness and uneven texture. Dull and uneven skin texture can make your complexion appear lackluster and lifeless. Castor oil to the rescue again. Its nourishing properties bring a healthy glow to your skin, making it brighter and more radiant. With regular use, castor oil improves skin texture, leaving it soft, smooth, and glowing. And finally, acne scars and blemishes. Acne scars and blemishes can be a source of frustration and self-consciousness. Castor oil contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help fight acne and reduce the appearance of scars. Its unique ability to penetrate deep into the skin allows it to heal blemishes and promote faster skin turnover, revealing a clearer and smoother complexion. It's important to note that while castor oil offers numerous benefits for the skin, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Patch testing before use is always recommended, especially for individuals with sensitive skin or allergies. Remember to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions. And now let's shift our attention to the other star ingredient in our DIY remedy, baking soda. Baking soda is a household staple that goes beyond baking delicious treats. It has incredible skincare benefits that can transform your complexion. Let's discover how baking soda works its magic on the skin and how it addresses common skin concerns. Gentle exfoliation. One of the key benefits of baking soda is its gentle exfoliating properties. It effectively removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin underneath. This gentle exfoliation also unclogs pores, minimizing the appearance of blemishes and promoting a more even skin tone. Acne control. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps balance the skin's pH level and creates an environment that's less hospitable to acne-causing bacteria. When applied topically, it reduces inflammation and redness associated with acne, providing relief and promoting clearer skin. However, it's important to use baking soda with caution, as excessive drying of the skin can exacerbate acne. Hence, it's crucial to dilute it properly before applying it to the skin. Sun protection. Baking soda contains natural minerals that act as gentle exfoliants. These minerals help remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin underneath. Additionally, baking soda can absorb excess oil, making it effective in controlling sebum production and minimizing the appearance of large pores. So whether you're dealing with acne, uneven skin tone, or enlarged pores, baking soda's mineral-rich composition can help you achieve clearer and smoother skin. However, it's essential to use baking soda in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have sensitive skin or other concerns. Incorporating baking soda into your skincare routine can provide numerous benefits. From gentle exfoliation to acne control and sun protection, it's a versatile ingredient that can help you achieve healthier and more radiant skin. However, it's important to use baking soda wisely and consult a healthcare professional when needed. By combining these two powerful ingredients, you get a dynamic duo that takes skin radiance to a whole new level. The natural bleaching properties of castor oil work synergistically with the exfoliating and clarifying powers of baking soda. Together, they form a potent blend that helps fade age spots, brighten the complexion, and reveal a more even skin tone. But that's not all. The combination of castor oil and baking soda also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and calm the skin. It reduces redness and irritation, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. This soothing effect promotes a sense of calmness and relaxation, transforming your skincare routine into a luxurious self-care experience. To harness the full potential of this dynamic duo, follow these steps for optimal results. Begin by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Then apply a generous amount of the castor oil and baking soda mixture to your skin, focusing on areas with age spots or uneven skin tone. Gently massage the mixture in circular motions to improve blood circulation and enhance product absorption. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face gently with a clean towel. Follow this routine 2 to 3 times a week for best results. However, it's important to exercise caution and do a patch test before applying the mask to your entire face. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergies, always prioritize your skin's health and well-being. As you incorporate this powerful remedy into your skincare routine, you may start to notice remarkable changes in your skin. The castor oil and baking soda combination works wonders in fading age spots, evening out skin tone, and improving overall texture. Say goodbye to dull, uneven skin and hello to a brighter, more radiant complexion. But that's not all. The anti-inflammatory properties of this remedy soothe and calm the skin, making it perfect for sensitive skin types. Experience a sense of relaxation and tranquility as you apply this mask and let its nourishing ingredients work their magic. However, it's important to remember that while this remedy is highly effective, consistency is key. Give it at least 7 days of consistent use to see noticeable improvements in your skin. Be patient and trust in the natural process as you work towards achieving your skincare goals. Throughout this journey, listen to your skin and be kind to it. If you experience any adverse reactions or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Your skin's health and well-being should always come first. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you're eager to learn more about natural remedies and beauty tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more insightful content and join our growing community. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and beautiful both inside and out.